10 tips for growing jalapeno pepper in a pot. Tip number 1. Use veggie garden mix soil or homemade compost. You can also add dry leaves, kitchen organic waste, and brown paper at the bottom. Tip number 2. Purchase seedling from a garden center to speed up growing and harvesting, as it takes 4 to 6 weeks to grow from seed. Tip number 3. Use a pot with a 30 to 40 cm diameter to provide more room for the root to expand. Tip number 4. Plant the jalapeno pepper when the overnight temperature is 15 degrees Celsius or higher, otherwise colder temperature will stunt growth and reduce fruit production. Tip number 5. Jalapeno pepper love full sun. Growing in pot allows you to move them to the sunniest location. Tip number 6. Add mulch on top of the soil to help retain moisture, speed up the growth, and increase production. Tip number 7. During hot weather, water your chili plant in the morning and evening to keep the soil moist, as the soil in the pot dries out faster. Tip number 8. Jalapeno pepper take long time to turn red. You can harvest them while they're green and let them dry in a sunny spot. They will turn red in a few days. Tip number 9. You can freeze extra harvest in a Ziploc freezer bag and use them throughout the year. Tip number 10. You can also make delicious chili pickle. Cut and put them in a glass jar. Add 40% white vinegar and 60% cool boiled water. Store them in the fridge. They will be ready to eat in about a week's time.